Have you downloaded a RAR file and Windows doesn't know what to do with it? Yeah, that's where 7-Zip comes in. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to extract RAR files with 7-Zip, choose where the files go, extract only what you need, and handle password-protected archives. First, open File Explorer and locate the RAR archive you want to extract. It might be in your Downloads folder, on your desktop, or another location where you saved the file. Make sure the complete archive is available before you start. Next, right-click the RAR file and look for 7-Zip in the context menu. You should see several options for extracting the archive. The quickest choice is Extract here, which puts the files directly into the current folder. For a cleaner setup, you can choose Extract to, followed by the archive name. 7-Zip will create a separate folder and place the extracted files inside. This is especially useful when the RAR contains lots of files. If you want more control over where the files are saved, choose Extract Files. A new window will appear with a destination field. Select the folder you want, then click OK to begin extracting. You don't always need the entire archive. To extract only certain files, open the RAR archive in 7-Zip File Manager. Select the files you need, click Extract, choose your destination, and confirm. Simple enough. If the RAR archive is password protected, 7-Zip will display a password prompt when it needs the password. Enter the correct password and continue the extraction. If you don't know it, you'll need to get the password from the person or service that provided the archive. After the extraction finishes, open the destination folder and check the contents. Make sure the expected files are there and open correctly. If everything looks good, you're done. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Here's a quick reminder. Use Extract here when you want speed, Extract to when you want an organized folder, and Extract files when you need to choose a specific destination. And that's how you extract RAR files using 7-Zip. You don't need a separate RAR extraction tool if 7-Zip already handles what you need.